Hello, my name is Marie Dunaway and I am the subject leader and creator of the programme Costume Production at Arts University Plymouth. The programme here at Arts University Plymouth focuses upon costume construction and design, underpinned by theory and industry contexts. The development of practical and academic skills that supports them to be competitive, confident and creative graduates. Our facilities enable the students to think outside of the box, to break boundaries and learn the most up-to-date techniques, enabling them to realise their full potential. Our first year students undertake a range of practical and professional units that introduce fundamental techniques such as pattern cutting, construction, costume props and performance theory. The year ends with a collaboration unit where students explore costumes through the lens with media students. The second year is all about developing those skills further, with the opportunity to test ideas through the use of tailoring techniques, costume enhancement and millinery. Work experience and career pathways become key at this time. The year concludes with the students producing costumes for a live performance in collaboration with the Actors Wheel Company. In the final year, students undertake a major project of their own direction to develop their professional portfolio. This is where our students really demonstrate their innovation and creativity they've developed over their 3 years of study. All our students undertake industry work placements as part of their degree, and they have secured places with the leading theatres and performance companies in the country. For example, the Royal Shakespeare Company, Birmingham Royal Ballet, the TV series Strictly Come Dancing and costume prop company Rainbow Productions, just to name a few. We believe that work experience gained has been vital to their developing skills. Our alumni successes on film productions such as the Marvel movies and jobs gained in West End shows are proof of the programme's close connection with the industry. As part of the programme, we have a series of guest lecturers and bespoke workshops delivered by industry professionals. These have included Downton Abbey costume designer Susanna Buxton, who gave us an insight into creating costumes for period drama. International theatre designer Paul Farnsworth shared his experiences of working on large-scale musicals, and we were also delighted to welcome bespoke workshops from Michelle Carragher, the embroiderer for the Game of Thrones series, an invaluable experience for all our students. One of the advantages of being here in the Southwest is that it's a popular location for British TV series and films. Our graduating students have taken opportunities to work on the Poldark series and the award-winning film The Ghost Ship, all filmed within reach of the university. I think the world needs creatives now more than ever, because theatre is no longer considered an art form or built form, but a social, cultural and political venture, no longer a single receptacle of performance, but a civic meeting place addressing local and global realities.